Alright guys, this is your boy Mode Guy. Join me in this journey from Kenyatta University to Mount Longonot to Lake Naivasha and to Hell's Gate in this vlog. Remember to subscribe and enjoy.
So this is where are we going? Come here.
We are going to Mount Longonot. We are going to enjoy the scenes in Lake Naivasha. For aquatic activities.
Yes.
And this is not academic, part of our academic section. So we just enjoying.
Yeah. So guys, as we are traveling, you can see our buses are over there. Our buses are over there. This is the mighty Kenyatta University. So we came.
The great KU.
These are my friends. Do you want to say hi? Hi. Say hi to my fans. Hi,
Hello.
Yes, tell them something. Don't just say hello. I am hearing they are hooting the buses. So resume. I will resume with this vlog when I get to another stopover. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
That is
very
why.
high.
Yeah,
That's me.
That is him.
And that is you.
He's very high. Yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to comment there, share this video if you find it good, and if you think it can also sound good to your audiences. Yeah. So guys, this is the view. There is a professor here.
Yeah, there is a professor here. And goes by the name.
By the name?
The guy.
No, that's not a name. That's not a name. But anyway.
Are you praising me?
No. But you look good with those. How do you call them? Those glasses.
The gagas.
Yeah. Remember to subscribe, guys. So we are going into the bus.
You must follow me.
He's telling you to follow me. Yeah. So
You have to follow me.
Stay tuned. The video. All right. He's telling us to hurry. So the video is long, but guys, we are getting back into the bus. There is the bus. So immediately we get there, I will resume the video. Meanwhile, remember to subscribe. As you can see, people are taking photos. They are enjoying the scene. They are all over. These are comrades of Kenyatta University. They are all here. Yeah, so we are being told that it is time, and we have to get into the bus. Though they are rude, but it is good. We are at Naivasha, as you can see. We are still in the vehicle. And we are going to have a short break to do some shopping because we are going for hiking. Yeah, let us get outside. So guys, we have just alighted at Naivasha, as you can see. He is our school bus. Now we are moving here. I've been helping this girl to do assignment actually. What is your name? Valilia. So, as a comrade, she wants to buy me maziwa. And who am I to reject? Let us go. Hi. Will you say something to my fans?
Hi fans.
What's your name?
My name is Celine.
Yeah,
and I'm here with the content creator.
And I had also mentioned that she's a YouTuber. Will you share your account?
Yes, my account.
Yeah.
The Dancing Tech.
Yeah, hey.
Very nice.
The Dancing Tech. You get there, you subscribe to that channel, and so let me buy maziwa here. That one doesn't want to appear on camera, but it is fine. I also have my big friend here, the real hiker. He's wearing something called Karibu Kenya. How much did you buy that?
500 only.
Hey, 500, and he's saying only. Oh my goodness. People should look for money. Let me look for maziwa. Yeah. So guys, this is not a trip or any other good thing, but I know what is ahead of us is actually very tough, because I've heard that people are saying we are going to do rock climbing, and you know how rocks are very rough. How prepared are you? Yes. How prepared are you? They are mocking her. In their native language that she's called Mama Count. Anyway, these are campus students and they have a lot of jokes, which is that. But the jokes keeps us. Sometimes when we don't have lunch, we just take jokes. Then we call it a lunch. Hey, how is the experience so far? Yeah. I know you've been in the bus for the
1 hour.
1 hour is too long. Yeah, we are creating content. Remember to subscribe, guys. Let me flip the camera. Let me flip the camera so that you can have a good view. of where we are. So guys, this is where we are. I guess this is Naivasha County. Is Naivasha a county?
We are not sure. I'm not sure.
I'm also not sure. I didn't do geography. Yeah, but we are here. We are here. It is a good place. What are you saying? Miles, you have not said anything.
I'm fine.
Yes.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let us continue. Let us continue and look for maziwa. All right. So guys, I had come to do some shopping. Then I met this friend of mine. He was actually looking for ugali in a supermarket. So I was asking him, why are you looking
I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry, man. The kind of stuff I'm seeing people purchasing here. All snacks, all ringos, all... They're nothing.
We have another one here. Why are you looking for ugali in the supermarket? How much is this?
8 shillings.
8 shillings.
Yes.
I will pay for you that one. Add to cart. All right, guys, the vlog continues. No, you don't pay here. What are you trying to do?
No, but he told me the deal to pay on.
Oh, okay. Guys, remember to subscribe. As I always say, as I always tell you, remember to subscribe. We are here. We want to buy some 1, 2, 3, and after that we will go and resume with our journey. Hi. Will you say hi to my friends?
Hi.
What's your name? We are doing a YouTube vlog.
No,
She don't want to expose herself, but it's fine. You know, it's good you ask people first before taking their images. Have you greeted these people?
Pressure or
We were with him actually at, where was it?
somewhere around
Rift Valley there.
Rift Valley. Yeah.
He's a good friend of mine.
We are already here.
This man likes ugali. That's why you are
And
seeing.
if you want to know more about Wilberforce, please contact Integrated Farm Technology.
I knew it. I knew you would mention it. I knew you would market it. Hey, man, come. Say hi to my fans. Say hi to my fans here.
Good morning.
Yeah. That is my
Any
friend.
agricultural activity,
Yes.
you want to know more about cockroach farming, snail farming, mosquito farming, we offer everything. Just contact 0742711591. We are there for you. We got you. Right now we are out here enjoying.
Yes.
We're in the one of the largest supermarkets here in Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah, here in Kenya.
Here in Kenya.
Sure.
Yeah. So guys,
Most precious.
enjoy with us the show. Yeah. Oh, okay. She don't want to appear on camera, but it is good. Now, remember that man who has talked so much about. Yes? You don't want expensive things? All right, I have a good friend of mine here. Come. Say hi to my audience. Hi. Oh, this is free of charge. All right. This boy got us. All right, go ahead. Let us continue. So, guys, we are from Naivas. As you can see, we are getting back to where we are supposed to be. We have done our shopping, as you can see. Though I'm not going to show you that. Can I tell you something? Bag. Yeah. So guys, I have just met my friend who left before us. They have come and they are going back to school, and we are taking another trip. So you can see. Why are you so weak, guys? Why are you so weak? Tell us, how was the experience? Huh? How was it? Was it that bad? Was it that bad? No, talk to my fans. Talk to my fans. Talk to my fans. Tell them something. Why are you not talking to these people? Wait, Kiazana? Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you, we are at Naivasha right now. I have met my person. She's so weak. I guess she will not talk to you because they are from hiking actually. As you can see, show them the background. There are people over here. They are from hiking and some of them are still going. So those who are from there, they are very weak because of the activities that they have been performing there. But those who are going, they are very strong and curious because they want to see what is there. So that means they are very ironic consideration. But anyway, stay with me in this this video, I will be taking you through the whole process. I'll be taking you through everything there. And remember to subscribe, as I normally say. Yeah, so that is the reality of things here, guys. Yeah, my friend bro is here. I'm here, bro. Yeah, he's saying talk shorter, guys. Make sure you're enjoying the vlog. People are over here. And, it's actually good. Yes, bro. Yeah, you are there. Yeah, you are there. These people are here and they are very good. Yeah, this man has really appeared in my video. Don't do that thing in my video. Look at that boy. So we are here, guys. We are still here. How about the dere? Tell me, what is your main worry about this thing? I know you are worried. But see, there is a fella who had the trip for 3 days and she was a girl. 3 days. Okay, that is a bit a challenge. She said she's so tired. Bye. So you can just say bye. You can. Yeah, bye. Yeah. So imagine, girls are going to stay there for 3.5 days without taking shower. Imagine. You shouldn't be like us. Nakulala kwa tent na hiyo baridi. But anyway, we shall just cope with it. You know, everything you cope with it. Huyu amechoka hata tell us.
Kuna experience iko hapo. Wewe enda tisikie.
Girls are not taking shower. Kuna kifo huko. Tell us.
Hakuna kifo. Uko na nguvu. Si unajiaminia?
Huko ni kama hatutafaulu, but anyway. What I say? Unasema aje?
Waje wengi. The journey was fine.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Yes.
Naivasha. Naivasha was good. Mosole. Naivasha.
So you guys enjoyed it.
And rock climbing.
We are coming.
It was fantastic. Fantabulous.
Yeah, we are live on YouTube. Okay. Those are my good friends, guys. So I'll be joining this bus here, as you can see here, and we are going to, I don't know, Mount Longonot or what is it. So we are going step by step. You just stay with me. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you are enjoying in everything. How are you? Will you say hi to my fans here? Say hi to my fans there. She's scared. Bro, will you say hi to my fans here? On YouTube. We are on YouTube. We are on YouTube. We are on YouTube. Fans. My fans on YouTube. Just say hi. Yes. Okay. Yes. Where is she? Oh, it is zooming. You can zoom out. Zoom out first.
Here.
All right. That is my other friend. What is your name? You haven't said your name. But anyway, guys, this is Kenyatta University. The students taking physical education. They are going for a hike. Most of them are scared. Some of them have mixed reactions. So whichever way, make sure that you are enjoying every moment. Yeah, make sure everything it is nice on your side. Yeah. I can see people are smiling over here.
Nobody is smiling.
People are really smiling, but anyway. Yeah. That's my good friend. Huh? You want to say hi? Say hi to my fans. He doesn't want to appear on camera, but it is fine. No. Yes, say hi, bro. Man, people don't want to say hi, but anyway. Yeah, say hi. You can say hi. You can always say hi. These are my fans are on YouTube. Yes, on YouTube. Fans. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. Hello. Very good. Was I in this bus? So guys, we are in the vehicle and my friends are here. Will you say hi to my friends? Where is she?
She's here.
Yeah, the camera is on you. No, flip it.
Hi.
Yes, tell them your name. She don't wanna say her name. I have another good good friend here. What are you taking? Pork prawns. Are they sweet?
Yeah.
Wow. It is good, it is good, as you normally say. Yeah, so guys, you remember to subscribe there on YouTube. Remember to promote me by sharing this video. Enjoying, as we enjoy these moments together, it is actually always good. Debu ni record hapa nikiongea. It is good. Yeah, so as you can see, I am here. I have my bag here. It did not fit up here, so I had to carry it on my hips, and that is how we move. So we are going there. I don't know what is ahead of us, but we are hopefully optimistic that everything is gonna be fine. Yeah, so stay with me there. Do not quit, do not leave, and to get more videos immediately when I post, you just hit the subscription button. It is always in color red and written in white. So thereafter, anytime I post a video, you'll be able to see it. So thank you so much, all of us, all of those who are supporting me. So we are almost leaving, as you can see. Let me not take people's vehicles because I can be sued for doing that without their consent. Edel, say hi to my fans. Yeah, wow, that is wonderful. That is wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that is Angie. Where can they find you on social media? Masabele everywhere. And we just next to her we have what's your name, bro? You don't wanna say your name? JD. That is JD. You can always check on him. He's everywhere. He's a tech specialist. He's a tech specialist actually. If you want WhatsApp bots, if you want tech, they are all there. Right. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I am with what is your name? Waldo Toyo, and we have just arrived at the camping site of Lake Naivasha, which is just behind. This is Michael Lokot. Gentlemen, how are you? Nice to meet you. What are you doing here? Why are you here?
I'm here to experience my life all about what we call outdoor activities.
Wow, that is good. I just hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. Yeah, sure thing. So we have just arrived and we are not. Yes. What are you saying? Tell them. Yes.
Like uende useme hapo. Sisi kama walio tumesema mchele hatukuli. Kama ni unga, ipite nusu gunia.
All right. That is my Luya friend. He's saying that he don't want to take rice, and if it is ugali, we make sure that it is what did you say? Half a kg?
More than a half a sack.
More than half a sack. So that is what we are going to do.
3/4 of sack.
3/4 of sack. That is Aluya. He really likes eating ugali. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Let's say hi to this gentleman over here.
Hi.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, tell them what's your name and what are you doing here?
We have come to camp outdoor and stayed.
Wow, you guys make sure you are enjoying the vlog. I have my friend here. Say something.
Hello guys.
All right, let us proceed to the other side before the lecturers get mad. But even if they get mad, we will murder them. Ooh, what did I say? So we are here mounting our tents. These are my tent mates. Do we call them tent mates? So we are mounting them. This is where we'll be sleeping for the next 3 days. As you can see, the fundis are doing their work actually, and other people are also there. They are doing their work. Yeah. So that is very good. What? My friend is warning me from recording Herbert. So this is how we mount these tents. This is where we'll be sleeping. Wow, this is so good. Anyway. Right. Yeah, so we are done with fixing the tents. We are done fixing the tents, as you can see. No, we have cooperated in doing that. Why are you complaining anyway? Yes, I'm here. Come. Yeah, I'm recording.
This is our tent.
This is our tent.
Our tent.
Yes, you can join us. Come and say hi. Come and say hi to my fans. No, me. Yeah, come. Say hi to my fans. Yeah, we are live on YouTube actually.
Yeah, of course.
What's your name?
Of course, I'm Winnie.
Willie, what are you doing here?
I'm camping. We are camping.
Right, really. Thank you. We are camping here, guys. Make sure you have fun. Make sure you are enjoying. Castro, what are you saying? We can't lose marks.
Guys.
Yeah, so guys, we came actually when it was late in the evening. The cameraman is making me to laugh, but anyway, I will not laugh. So it was late in the evening, and as you can see, we were supposed to make some tents for our accommodations because we had nowhere to sleep. Even if it is you, can you sleep on top of a tree? You cannot. So you can show them the tents actually. They are so good. They are yellow in color. I know canvas in the room. Till night, as you can see, people are now in their groups. It is very dark, but people are organized into small groups, manageable groups, so that they can find how they are going to eat, how they are going to feed. And as you can see, many people are cooking using firewood, each person in their own group. Okay, it was a very good experience actually. Yeah, so yes, as you can see, our friend is still here. Right now he's not visible because the color. How are you, sir? Meanwhile, we have our girls here. They are actually active. They are active in cooking. So that was a very nice. So as you can see, they were preparing. This is Kuma Wiki. And what else?
We are prepared.
Meat is here, but the cooking stick, they are complaining. No, I'm not taking images. Look at that guy. Anyway, they are really enjoying. So guys, stay tuned. Say hi. So as I was walking by, I met my good friend. So you are washing utensils.
The cup line.
This is funny, isn't it? But anyway, I can see there are good things here. Anyway, let me get my something in my tent. No, I don't have anything. Don't follow me. Look at this guy. So guys, you can imagine this is where we are sleeping. Hold this camera for me. Make sure it is recording. Okay. So you want me to help you with a piece of paper? Yeah?
And a pen, yes.
And a pen?
Yes.
That's a pen. All right. Come and show them the inside. So guys, this is how it looks like. I think niko na pen. Utanileta? Ziko wapi? No, you record. That is a vlog. You don't stop until. So unataka paper, uko na pen lakini?
Sina pen. I don't have anything.
You don't have anything?
Yes. I need a pen and a paper.
I thought I had a pen. Only to realize that
even a pencil can do.
A pencil?
Yes.
Yeah, I've got a pen. So, you will allow me to go and write the members.
Do you have 2 pens?
No, I carried one. Iko enough? Is it enough for you?
Can you just give me a full paper?
Full paper?
Yes.
You want to write the names of your group members?
Yes.
So let me go finish mine alafu nikulete.
Any group?
Group 3.
Okay.
Sindio? I'll be back to you, right? Okay, give me the camera. Thank you so much. Yeah, so guys, that was my friend. She wants me. Where will I find you? Yeah?
Group 1.
Group 1?
Yes. Group 2.
Where are you?
There.
All right.
Behind.
Yeah. So she's a good friend of mine actually. She wanted me to assist her with a piece of paper and a pen. And that is what I did actually. Yeah, so I've come to record the names of these members. So, but unfortunately I didn't find a blue pen. We only have red. What will you do?
Hai red hapana.
So what shall we do? No, let us just improvise. Sindio?
Yes.
Rema, in fact your name will appear.
Mimi si number 1. Si number 1. Mbona tusiandike kwa hiyo already nyumekata?
Sawa. You can use that one. Shika, you can do that task. Yeah, so guys, remember to subscribe actually. Remember,
Like and share.
Yeah, like and share. Yeah, like and share. These are my good friends. They are very cooperative, which is very good. Valilian is here. You saw her during the day. Yeah. Yes.
Very live.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Yes.
Mwiko ndo hiyo hapo.
Mwiko iko over.
Tayari.
Hiyo ni mwiko ama fimbo bana. Okay. Who is this bana? All right. So we want to cook ugali actually. This is ugali. Bro, what are you saying?
This is the mwiko.
Oh, this is the mwiko. What is the use of this?
This one is used to stir the mixture.
To stir the mixture.
Until it.
Okay. Now, you can take this one. You can. You guys, my sister told me that she would like to be married with a Luya, and I was asking her, what was the reason? So you can see the reason, it is clear here. Hey, this man is really spinning. This man, I salute him. This man is really. Nishike camera. I want to light up the fire.
It's from experience. Bana kwa damu bana. Na bado sijaleta hivi. Alafu kuna mwenye unipokeza unga kidogo.
Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you. Wow. Let me continue with that vlog. Tosha. All right. Thank you so much.
Ikishindikana naongeza hii yangu nimeinbox.
Backup. Lakini leta unga ingine kama hii actually.
Hii ni backup hii.
Nilikuwa nimeleta ingine kama hii.
Hii ni backup hii ukiona.
Lakini mchungane na huyu kijana anaweza weka sumu kwa ugali. Mzee anaweza weka sumu. Huyu anaweza weka sumu mzee.
Mulika hapa bana. Mulika.
Hey, this guy. This is called Spotless Potty.
Spotless Potty mwenye.
Hey, you are spinning that thing ba. Hey, that is how you normally do.
I normally do like this.
Guys, you can hire this. Ongeza maji kama unga ni nini. The only man of ugali.
The only man who can do one bag of maize.
Oh, imetosha? Haijatosha. Weka unga mingi. We need a lot of.
Ongeza tu kidogo.
Spot you enough you tell them what to do.
Kidogo.
Yeah, so guys.
Tosha.
Hey, who is this bana? Yes.
Alright, itakuwa ngumu walai.
Kuna maji ya kuweka. Ikikuwa ngumu kuna maji.
Mulika hapa bana.
Simulike hapo. Sasa nyinyi shida ni nini bana? So you can just write for me. Rema.
Leta jina.
Modengai.
Activities ndio nangoja peni yako.
So after this I have a dessert actually. That is my choma.
No,
will you take my choma?
Unaandika activity yenye mtu amefanya.
That is very nice.
What the hell?
Usha choma sasa.
Unaandika activity yenye mtu amefanya si admission.
Usha choma. But we can find another paper.
Tutaandika tu huku mbele.
Valilian, hi.
Hi.
Can you tell us what you're doing in the group?
Nakwambia unakata vile umezoea kukata.
Yeah. Elvira, is that you?
Ni mimi nakwambia nafanya taratibu nisikatike vidole kwa kule
yeah, careful man. Yes Rehema. You are 36. 133. You are 36. 3390. No. You can also take me.
No.
Yeah, take this. You record me.
Congratulations.
No. I want to record. Go. I want to say something. So, this is actually our hiking. Let me remove this hat. We have come. This is Naivasha. Yes. Si sasa wewe ndio shida. Wewe hata ufanyi kitu kwa group. Kesho nakutoa. Hii kitu mtu anaingia.
Jamaa ameshinda kwa sleeping bag.
Otoyo.
This guy is suffering.
Ni hotspot.
This guy is suffering.
Ni hotspot bang.
Ukweli anateseka, tumsaidie.
Wewe kichwa inaiko wapi?
Huyu jamaa juu hii kitu. Haelewi.
Bana nimeshinda kuingia kwa hii bag.
Anajisemea. Si rahisi ni mkubaya.
Niangaje kwa hii bag. Yeah guys, a new day. Yeah, so this was our second day actually at the camp. And we are just right from morning run and doing warm up. So we are here preparing after doing those exercises. We are here.
Masani ngapi?
Si sahani, chukua tu besheni mbili twende.
Sio masani.
Zi chukua besheni. Basi chukua na sahani basi. Chukua zote. So guys, this guy is confusing me. we want to prepare breakfast actually. But yeah, so guys, this was our day 2. As you can see, we are now ready. We are going for our activities. We were divided in 2 groups actually. One group was going for hiking and the other one was going for, what do you call it? Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Yeah. So we are very optimistic about this thing. It is a good thing actually. We thank the university for this opportunity for us as trainees of physical education to expose ourselves to this environment, different environments, having fun all over. As you can see, we even slept in tents actually. I showed you a video making these tents. Yeah? Like this one here. It is a very good place where you can just sleep. It is safe. And it is a lot of fun. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss anything. Yeah, we are together guys. Let us continue with the vlog. I'm going to share everything that we are going to do on the mountain and it's gonna be fun. So you just stay with me in everything, stay with me everywhere. My cameraman is Wild Otoyo. Yeah, so guys we are getting into the bus, ready for this activity. Yeah, Otoyo, where are you? Say hi to these guys.
Hello guys.
Yeah, how are you there?
We are very fine guys.
So we are getting into the bus. We are no, don't say that in the video, please.
Yeah, don't mess up with our video.
Yes, so we are going guys.
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Comment on that video.
Comment
and share it.
And repost.
By the way, today I feel like driving the bus.
You just drive.
Yes.
I was telling these guys I want to drive the bus. Then they were telling me, Mo, it's okay. You can just drive.
Yes.
So everybody, wherever you are watching me from, make sure you subscribe. These guys are insulting me. Where is my
Yes, Mo.
Yes.
Have a seat here,
Okay,
man,
okay, thank you so much.
I respect you so much.
Wow, I appreciate.
But I don't fear you.
You don't fear me?
I respect
You have to
but
fear
I
me,
don't
man.
fear you.
You know, I've got a lot of money.
You got a lot of money.
Yo,
You got assets.
I've got the assets like this bus. I own the bus together with the people who are inside.
This is Kenyatta University.
Yes.
We are not in India.
Yeah.
But we are just in
Kenyatta University. This is Kenya.
This is Kenya.
Can you say Kenya? You can hold this for me.
Let me hold for you.
Okay.
My future employer.
All right. Thank you so much, my future employee.
Yes.
So make sure you're enjoying, guys. Make sure you're enjoying.
I'm enjoying.
Because actually,
Here is Chibole Masangalia.
where's Chibole?
Chibole.
Come and say hi to my fans, please. Chibole.
Chibole.
Say hi to Muzungu. Come and say hi. Say.
Fans, they are seeing you.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. That is Chibole.
This is Chibole.
Yeah.
The only man who can spin one bag of maize.
But then you saw him in the previous video. The one was spinning ugali. This man. Yeah. So guys, it is actually good. Yeah, make sure you are enjoying every moment, as I normally say. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about now?
We are good. We are food, man. We are outside. Man.
Where are you, Amadi Gaga?
Madigaga, I don't do that, bro.
Oh, you don't do Amadi Gaga. Anyway. So guys, stay tuned. We are heading there, and I will be recording
when
everything.
we will be there.
Yes.
We are going to share everything that will happen.
Everything will be live. Yani mambo
Mambo ni itakuwa vula. Mimi kama fan wa Ingwe, AFC Leopard.
Yes.
I can say something about AFC Leopard.
Okay, bro, you've been waiting for this. Yeah. Maybe this one say hi. Hello there. All right. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, you gonna say hi to my fans?
Hello.
Wow, that is wonderful.
Are you from Kenya? Are you from Kenya?
Habari yako?
Habari yako?
All right. Yeah, so we shall continue, guys. Yeah, we have a bus over there. This is my friend. Let me zoom him. Yeah, Peter. He can't hear me. The window is closed. But he is a good friend of mine. Yeah. So yes, it is over here. No, you know my audiences are global. There are people who are watching from UK, Mesopotamia. Some are watching from England. So I must use a common language, isn't it, guys? Because if I start using Swahili, some of you will not hear me. Yeah. So no, I'll flip the camera so that I can show them the other angle. I get it. No, not really. By the way, I love Africans. I'm also an African, actually. I'm an African, of course. The vehicle is so long, around 100 meters long. Hey. And as you can see, some seats are even empty.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Odigaga. Yeah.
You are wearing a jersey of Manchester United.
Yeah.
Is that your club?
Yeah, favorite team, man.
Wow, favorite.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Yeah, my name is Waldo Toyo.
Yes.
A serious diehard for an AFC Leopard.
This is for AFC Leopard.
This one is AFC Leopard.
Oh, wow.
Ingwe Matere.
What did you say?
Ingwe Matere.
Ingwe Matere. Wow. What's the meaning of Ingwe Matere?
It means like it means like an leopard that has some heavy nails, strong nails.
All right.
That it can easily finish.
Okay, I'll be back to you. All right, we shall continue. The lecturer is communicating. Yeah, so guys, here I was in the vehicle. The bus was moving at a very high speed, around 120 km. Yeah, as you can see, we are still here. My people are still there. You can see them. So we are in the bus. We are still going. Let me show you. Let me flip the camera. Let me give you a tour of this place. It is such a wonderful place, guys. So we are still in Naivasha. Guys. How is that view? How is that view, guys? Tell me now. How is that? You can see how the vehicles are moving. The road is so neat. Wow! Oh my goodness! Right, here, guys. All our friends are still here. Haven't switched the seats. Hey, that was at a very high speed. The trucks are going at a very high speed. Right. Let me flip the camera. We continue. So this is a 3-day trip. Camping. We are camping actually. We left school and we. Hello, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we left school and we are here. We are still. So right now we are going for hiking on Mount Longonot. Our other members have gone they have gone for rock climbing. I don't know the venue, but that is where I believe they are. If you are joining us now, this is Pitways Production, and I'm doing this vlog for the sake of pure memories, adventure, and the exploration. For all of you who like exploring, to all the lovers of traveling, and you must be enjoying this view. Wow. So I'll be showing you everything. Everything is documented, all for the benefit of my audience. Remember yesterday I showed you how we made the tents and how we slept. Yeah, I've never slept in a tent before. That was my first time, and I slept at around 10 p.m. only to wake up at what time? Around 5? No, around 4. Then I went, took a shower, then I came back after some minutes. Bro, don't burn the picture. The whistle was blown and we were supposed to assemble and prepare for warm-up. So we went for morning run, and after that we came back, prepared breakfast, and right now we're here heading to our first place to hike. What's popping in, guys? What's there? Tell me, what is your experience? Have you ever been in any outdoor activity? Have you ever participated in such things? Or would you like, because you are actually being trained, this is the main essence of what we are doing. We are in a training session, so you guys, we are your future outdoor specialists, outdoor instructors, and maybe aiders. Right, stay tuned, guys. The vlog is still rocking. What was that? So I'm a good person for my audience. Do you good? So that is where we are heading to. We are heading to we are almost there. We are almost there. I can just see the mountains when I'm at this point. Let me flip the camera so that you can also see it. Yeah, so guys, I have managed to get in. They were disturbing me because I had some 1, 2, 3 issues, but I've already paid for all of these here, as you can see them. I have paid for them, and now we are getting, that is where, yes? you want photos? Yes. Yeah, I will get back to you. Let me show my audience something. All right, you know they like kidding on me. So we are heading onto that mountain over there. I hope you are going to have fun as you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe, guys. That is all that I'm requesting for. Subscribe, share the video, and everything will be fine. How are you, bro?
Good, man.
Yeah, since yesterday I haven't seen you. Yeah, I saw you yesterday in the supermarket, and this is the next time we are meeting.
I've been very busy.
How prepared are you for this thing?
I have all my luggages ready.
I've
prepared the
what's necessary.
Yeah.
All right. Make sure you enjoy it, bro.
The important thing is water.
Water?
Yeah.
Hey, can I tell you something? I don't have any water, so maybe you're going to share with you.
Maybe.
Bro said just maybe. All right, guys. I can see people are taking photos here. They are enjoying the view. They're enjoying the breeze here. They are enjoying the environment. You know. So this is Mount Longonot. This is Mount Longonot actually. We are at the main gate. This is the main gate. Then we are going to move from here towards the RIM, which is around 3.1 kilometers. Yes? Come, say hi. Anna, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
I can see you're here. Tell us, how prepared are you for this? You know, since yesterday. Yeah, you can. You can.
English is not English.
All right. Come on. Tell them you can speak. Hi.
Lilian Kerubo. Yeah, we have come for hiking.
Yeah.
It's so interesting.
It's interesting. Oh my goodness.
It seems.
Because you have not started.
Okay, maybe, but we just hope that it's gonna be fine, right? Yeah. So this is Elvina. Oh, you saw her yesterday. She was chopping skuma wiki, and she was telling me that she's. Oh, you are cookie. What's the meaning of that?
Cooking.
Oh my days. Yeah. So. Yeah, so we are ready for this.
We are ready.
How prepared are you guys?
Very ready.
You know, I'm feeling like
we are very ready.
Okay, yes?
We are very ready.
Yeah, we are going by the. Let me flip the camera so that the audience can see where we are heading to.